Minia. Nancy, minim sa wone embrante bi a woye nneoma bi a enye adi komoda. Anamaba wa asabi. Wone a free nsemu a woye ne nsem fata woye panimu no no kasa de na moye. Ase ye nte wo nkampo. Wa no se wudu unumadu bone substance bi abenoma na nsempo. Ensa ye na abe. Wode nneoma ko fremu. Ebi kura obi yom fe energy drink. E de ne energy drink. Onyame bo wo no oma wonsuo ahodo gu wadwen mu. Ebi a serotonin, ebi a dopamine, egu wadwen pruwe so. Na emre semo no epeja ehyewo ahoden ema ebie wadwen mu ema onyansa e de ye abeye. Na wota anum no bone na wonum nsa no a e ko replace sa agenkwa na de odahye utimo no. So you replace the natural brain neurotransmitters with artificial ones. Enti wadwen no ekasisi. Oh yeah, the kwa ka she say I don't even know how people reason. One of the major attributes that God gave to man was the capacity to reason, to make judgments, to think, and to come to conclusions. But then, they can't even reason. I'm sorry to say this, because their minds have been saturated with substances, alcohol, and drugs. Many of them. If you be able to be able to do bone, if you be able to be able to there are people who are gradually turning into alcoholics. Na nsa na onom so nyansa papa. Ensa fumbia na wo de nura fremu na ye nom tablets. And ye ti o memu na ye hwe. If we want to transform this nation, we first have to transform the human capital. Otherwise, every transformation will be null and void. Bible no can say, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all things will be added unto you. Let me tell you, Ghanaians, seek ye first the transformation of the human being, and everything will be added unto us. And I say, JSS, University, I dream Ben or the university. What kind of mindset? How are you monitoring and managing these children away from actions that are destroying the very fiber of their being, the brain, when the brain. Make what they pay Senkrana wo, Komasina wo, Ugwa, Takrano, na common so. And you find that the cream of society, the youth, are all hooked one way or the other on a particular drug, substance, or alcohol. And we are sitting back and watching as a nation. And yeah, economic dialogue. It's good. But after our economic dialogue, have we sat back to think about a human economic dialogue where we'll come to think about how we can transform the beings we are producing to be able to transform our nation? It is time we value the human nature as a nation. It is time we value what our young boys have to do to become productive, so that they can take advantage of the opportunities that are there in their world. How did they come to that conclusion? America now person kono, Europe now kono. E hom nante no on baba ya nem nipa wo no, e no na krona ya se de tie no, na ye kromo nipa be negua. Sabe wo kanya nsasem a ye dane make obi yi TV na fia. O se ma twetwe. We are not concerned about human development in this part of the world. We are not concerned about human development and transformation. We're just concerned about infrastructure development, making money, building infrastructure. It's good. But who will use the infrastructure? The alcoholic, the drug abuser, that violent chap you call your youth, that promiscuous lady who opens up herself to any man at all. It's important we sit back and design programs, TV and radio, in our schools, that will capture the mind of our children to train them towards productive ventures, to transform them from drug abuse and substance abuse to profitable ventures. As some way they mean yaka. Mama yenya say so nema so na ye mrante ne baba wa etiate say asay ye mro no bro no so. Ne ye ka say mrante aba wo mu ade. Onyame hu Ghana mobo. Onyame enhira Ghana. Omo ye ho ban. Na mpani ntrase. No hu ne ye sefata na wonye. Ema mrante ne baba wa ensigina bia papa. Ana meja wo. Mede menchia e de be nase. eko akoma Richmond Miami nua Mark Weber Frimpong Miami nua Weber Kampedu say Priscilla so abeka yan ho ha na Sarah medamu nyina ase production room na me na Thomas Osmosis na makeup for nyina ne lighting for manager for nyame damu ase MC for so medamu ase onyame enemontina nyame ya Adom a yebesa hia bio